Hey guys, and welcome to my video. So this is my first video, and obviously we'll be starting with the basics. So in this video we'll be learning how to install Xcode. Unfortunately it's not available on Windows, but I've got my MacBook Pro here. So Apple had made it really easy. So we have two options. If the first one doesn't work, so you can do the second one, but I prefer using the first one. That's how I did it. So for the first option, go down to App Store and search for Xcode. It's gonna be the first one. Click on it and you're gonna find install or download. So you click on it. I've already did it, so I see it open. So this is it's gonna look like after it's installed. So this is for the first option. If this does not work because your MacBook is not suitable or the size is too big, so no problem. Apple has another option. Go down to Safari and search for developer.apple.com. And so as I told you, Apple had made it really easy. So you can see this is the developer's website. So as soon as you see this page, click on develop and you see all of those: Xcode, Swift, TextFlight, documentations and videos and downloads. So what we're here is for downloads. So we click here and then you sign in with your Apple ID or Apple Developers ID. And then here you see there's no better softwares. We don't need that. We click on release and then you'll find the latest Xcode. So you can check the release date and you can see what version it is. So after you're done reading everything, you click on download. It downloads. You go to Finder, you go in applications, and you're gonna find it there. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.